Welcome back to Adventure Jeep. If you're a true Jeep lover, you know the right accessories make all the difference, especially when it comes to antenna upgrades. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best antennas for Jeep Wrangler and Gladiator. Whether you're looking for a sleek short design, a rugged off-road option, or something that boosts your reception, we've got you covered. Stick around till the end to see which antenna is the perfect fit for your next adventure. Number 5. Short Antenna. The 7-inch short replacement antenna is a versatile option compatible with Jeep Wrangler JK, JL, JKU, JLU, and Gladiator JT models, 2007 plus. Built with a sturdy rubber coating and internal metal coil, this antenna offers reliable AM/FM reception while maintaining a low-profile design that complements Jeep's rugged style. Many Jeep drivers love how well this antenna holds up against automatic car washes and off-road conditions. Its flexible design prevents snapping or permanent bending. The compact build also avoids interference with rooftop racks, tents, or covers, making it a practical choice for overlanders and outdoor adventurers. Customer reviews mention that while it provides solid reception in city and suburban areas, reception strength in remote, mountainous regions is not as strong as longer antennas like the 13-inch RYDONAIR. Still, for drivers who value style, simplicity, and everyday durability, this antenna is a reliable budget-friendly pick. Number 4. BASIKER Short Antenna. The BASIKER 7-inch short antenna is a stylish and functional upgrade for Jeep Wrangler, 2007 to 2025, and Gladiator, 2020 to 2025, models. Crafted from premium rubber with an internal copper core, it ensures stable AM/FM reception while giving your Jeep a modern, compact look. Jeep owners who frequently take their vehicles through car washes or rugged trails will appreciate this antenna's durability. It's flexible enough to withstand bending, washing, and off-road conditions without snapping. Installation is also effortless. Simply screw it in, and it's ready for use within seconds. User feedback highlights that the BASIKER antenna performs well in suburban and urban areas, with reception quality nearly on par with longer antennas. However, in very remote or mountainous regions, some drivers notice minor static or signal drops. Still, its balance of durability, design, and ease of use makes it a top pick among Jeep enthusiasts. Number 3. VOFONO Short Antenna. The VOFONO 7-inch short antenna is designed for Jeep Wrangler, 2007 to 2025, and Gladiator, 2020 to 2025, owners who want a rugged and compact upgrade. Built with premium rubber and an internal metal coil, this antenna delivers reliable reception while maintaining a stubby profile that blends seamlessly with Jeep's tough exterior. Off-road drivers especially appreciate its shorter build, as it eliminates worries about branches or obstacles damaging the antenna. Many Jeep enthusiasts highlight that it's easy to install. You simply screw it into place within minutes, no special tools needed. The compact size also ensures it won't interfere with covers, rooftop tents, or accessories. While the antenna performs well in cities and suburban areas, some rural drivers mention a slight drop in FM reception compared to longer versions. Still, it remains one of the best-selling options thanks to its durability, affordable price, and stylish look. Number 2. RYDONAIR Short Antenna. For Jeep Wrangler and Gladiator owners who prefer a shorter, sleeker antenna, the RYDONAIR 7-inch short antenna is an excellent pick. Built with an internal copper coil, it provides solid AM/FM reception while keeping a low-profile design. Compatible with Wrangler 2007 Plus and Gladiator 2020 Plus, this antenna blends perfectly with the Jeep's rugged aesthetic. Unlike longer antennas, the 7-inch design is ideal for frequent off-roaders who want to avoid snagging branches, rocks, or garage doors. Customers report it holds up well in automatic car washes, thanks to its durable rubber construction that resists snapping or bending. While slightly shorter than the 13-inch version, it still offers respectable reception in most areas, though drivers in remote regions may notice a minor drop in signal strength. Still, for Jeep enthusiasts who value looks and practicality, this antenna strikes a strong balance. Number 1. RYDONAIR Antenna. The RYDONAIR 13-inch antenna is a top choice for Jeep Wrangler owners who want improved reception without compromising style. Designed with an internal copper coil, it ensures stronger signal reception compared to standard steel antennas. This antenna is compatible with all Jeep Wrangler models from 2007 to 2025 and the Gladiator 2020 to 2025, making it a versatile upgrade for most Jeep enthusiasts. Its flexible rubber material makes it durable against car washes and outdoor elements, a must for off-road adventurers who don't want to worry about bending or snapping. Jeep drivers who enjoy traveling in rural or mountainous areas have noted that the RYDONAIR antenna maintains clear AM/FM radio reception better than many shorter alternatives. The sleek low-profile design also complements the rugged look of Wranglers while avoiding the tall, whippy style of factory antennas. Whether you're driving through the city or hitting the trails, this antenna is a reliable replacement that blends durability, reception quality, and aesthetics. That wraps up our list of the best Jeep Wrangler antennas you can grab right now. Each of these options brings a mix of style, durability, and performance to your Jeep. Don't forget, you can check out the links in the description below to grab yours today. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss another adventure Jeep review. Until next time, keep exploring, keep upgrading, and keep living the Jeep life.